Educational system in Finland. Education in Finland. Cooperation, not competition. Make the basic a priority. Starting school at older age. A more relaxed atmosphere. Teachers are highly trained. Education is free in all levels. Cooperation, not competition. Real winners do not compete. In Finland's educational system doesn't worry about artificial or arbitrary merit-based system. There are no lists of top-performing schools or teachers. It's not an environment of competition. Instead, cooperation is the norm. Make the basics as priority. Finnish educators have focused on making these basics as priority. Education should be an instrument to balance out social inequality, ease access to health care, psychological counseling, individual guidance, beginning with the individual in a collective environment of equality in Finland way. Starting school at older age. Start a school when they 7 years old. It's simply a way to let a kid be a child. A more relaxed atmosphere. Relaxed atmosphere for student and teacher, where they can lodge out and relax, prepare for the day, or just simply socialize. Less homework and outside work required. They are able to focus on the true task at hand, learning and growing as a human being. Teachers in Finland. Most teachers in Finland have a master's degree and were among the top 10% of their graduating. Classroom in Finland. The typical classroom in Finland has no more than 20 students, and most schools are small enough for a teachers to know every student. Class time. Teachers typically spend only 4 hours a day inside a classroom teaching. That's a Finland's way of education, a system of Finland. Thank you.